If you struggle with falling asleep, you might be tempted to reach for sleeping pills. However, nature has provided some amazing foods that can help you relax and get a restful night's sleep without the side effects of medication. Here are 6 of the best foods that promote sleep naturally. 1. Almonds. Almonds are a great source of magnesium, a mineral that helps relax muscles and regulate the body's sleep-wake cycle. They also contain melatonin, a hormone that signals to your body that it's time to sleep. A small handful of almonds before bed can work wonders for improving sleep quality. 2. Kiwi. Kiwi is packed with antioxidants and serotonin, both of which can promote better sleep. Studies suggest that eating 1 or 2 kiwis an hour before bedtime can help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. 3. Bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium and magnesium, which help relax muscles and nerves. They also contain tryptophan, an amino acid that converts into serotonin and then melatonin, promoting sleepiness and relaxation. 4. Chamomile tea. While not exactly a food, chamomile tea deserves a place on this list for its calming effects. It contains apigenin, an antioxidant that binds to receptors in your brain to reduce anxiety and induce sleepiness. A warm cup of chamomile tea before bed can set the stage for a restful night. 5. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a good source of melatonin and complex carbohydrates that help release serotonin in the brain. This combination can promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. A warm bowl of oatmeal in the evening can be a comforting way to prepare for bed. 6. Walnuts. Walnuts are another great source of melatonin, along with healthy fats that support brain health. They also contain tryptophan, which helps produce serotonin and promote relaxation. Snacking on a few walnuts before bedtime can help you fall asleep naturally. Instead of relying on sleeping pills, try incorporating these natural sleep-inducing foods into your nightly routine. Not only are they healthier, but they also provide essential nutrients that support overall well-being. Sweet dreams.